Hello guys, welcome to my channel RSK Training. Today we would be covering sequence part 2. I'm sure you would love this video. So without wasting any time, let's go down to the video. So guys, in Excel writing numbers 1 to 10 or 1 to infinity is quite easy. We can simply write 1, 2 and even we can drag, or if you want to write in a short form you can refer to my last video sequence part 1. Now we will see how to write A to Z in capital letters and also in small letters. So we will write is equal to char of sequence. uh, Now since we have to write 26 letters, we will write 26 and no columns, and we will be starting at 65, which is the ASCII character of capital A. Just close the brackets and press enter, and here you can see A to Z in capital letters. Similarly, we will write A to Z in small letters. So for that we will start char sequence and we'll write rows 26, no columns, and we'll start from the number 97, which is the ASCII character of small a. Close the bracket, press enter, and you will see small a to Z. That's it guys. Hope you love my video. If you do so, do click on like, share, and do click on subscribe button and keep the bell icon on, get the notifications. Thank you so much.